I was trying to be dramatic. Got another package. I don't need that. Whoa, there's something down here that's scaring me. Batman! Ronnie. I wish I knew where Ronnie was so I could show him the Batman. The Batman sweatpants for him. There's Ronnie. And the Batman hooded sweatshirt. You see that?
Yeah.
Here's Batman. Think this will look good on me? Would that look good on me? Okay. That was another one. If you like it, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. I'm glad there's not a middle finger one, so y'all can tell me what you really want me to do. But, yep, I'm doing this, and so my wife's getting annoyed, so we gotta stop.